I want to share what separates buyers who thrive from those who struggle with home ownership. Most people get approved based on one number, the mortgage payment. But the smartest buyers, they budget for the complete picture from day one. Here's what successful homeowners plan for beyond their mortgage: insurance that rises year after year, property taxes that climb as your home appreciates, maintenance costs, utilities, and those inevitable system replacements. Real quick, before I break down what this means month to month, I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, back to the full picture. Think about it this way. If you're approved for a certain monthly payment, the smartest move is assuming your actual housing cost will be substantially higher when you add everything else. Insurance keeps rising. Taxes climb even when rates stay flat because your home's value increases. And homes need thousands annually just to stay in good shape. That's not renovations, that's just keeping things working. The difference between buyers who love home ownership and those who feel stressed, they plan for the full picture before signing, not after. When you budget realistically from the start, you're not just buying a house, you're building wealth with confidence and peace of mind. Want to know what you should really budget for your situation? Let's talk before you start shopping. We'll help you create a complete financial picture that sets you up for success.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.